Okay, so this is the Atlas 3.0 review after 1 week. Let's start directly with the visor. What I like about it is that it has multiple sets and it is much firmer, and you don't have the screws like the 1.0, because I'm comparing this now to the 1.0. The 1.0 had screws that you had always to tighten because they would come loose after a few rides because you use the visor. So let me open this up. So it has multiple stands, this one, this one, this one. And then if you put it like this, like there's a small hole, so it's perfect just when it's hot, but you're cruising. And then if you pull the visor a bit, it goes over a hook kind of mechanism to lock it in place, so it doesn't open anymore that easily if you're doing high speeds. What I don't like about this is the 1.0 also had a lip over here to open the visor, which I find useful when I'm at the stoplight and I'm on the front side, all the way on the front. I cannot open the visor with my right hand because it's all the way over here and my left hand is still on the clutch. So yeah, that's the only minus point I would say about this visor, which is great compared to the 1.0. It has the Pinlock system. Let me open this up. So yeah, it's kind of hard to see, but there's a Pinlock system. You can see it here on the outside, which is just perfect. I've never had one before and I'm really enjoying Pinlock systems. Then, as you can see, I also got the chin mount for the GoPro, which I really need when I want to make my YouTube videos. Yeah, what I had with the 1.0 is I didn't have a lot of space, like mouth and nose space. So as soon as I was going like above 130 kilometers an hour, the helmet would kind of like push into my face. And yeah, it wasn't really comfortable. And this helmet has much better inner lining, much higher quality, yeah, I don't know, it's better. I feel like I have much more space and I can actually breathe. Coming to then going at about, I would say 110 kilometers an hour, the wind noise is just much less compared to the 1.0. I'm always wearing earplugs as soon as I know I'm going on a highway, because you'll get hearing problems if you don't. But compared to the 1.0, it's way less. And also compared to the Airflight, the Icon Airflight, which is another helmet I've used. That was kind of my first helmet, and then I got the 1.0. But the Airflight, like I would compare the wind noise to the Airflight with the 3.0. It's really, it's just great. They reduce it a lot, and I feel like also at high speeds the helmet is much more stable compared to the 1.0. It doesn't like move a lot. So they've updated the audio system. The buttons are much bigger for changing songs and volume. These are the two volume buttons. This is the on button, also much bigger. First it was like a small one like this one. And this is just a cap to hide the charging port, which is USB-C, which is really good. And this is to pause and play the music you have on. And yeah, that's maybe the only minus point, that the pause and play is very small, so you have to kind of look for it sometimes. But yeah, they've definitely improved on this. Which I also like is, as soon as you put on the audio, which I will do now. You can hear it tells you at how far the battery is charged, which is really nice, because I always, when I was going to take a ride, I was like, oh my god, I have no clue how full my helmet is charged. So yeah, this is really good. This is really good. And the audio quality is much better and louder. And also it's much easier to install than the 1.0. There's less points where you can break something. Yeah, so also just getting back to the inside, there's way less turbulence compared to the 1.0. It is, the chin curtain is much bigger, and I feel like as soon as you pop your head in here, like there's almost no wind if you close the visor completely, which also causes much less wind noise. Yeah, so that would be my Atlas 3.0 review after a week. I'm really happy, and yeah, this is really a step up compared to the 1.0. And the weave is great. I've seen some complaints about the weave, but I haven't found any scratches or stuff like that. And yeah, like and subscribe. Let me know what you think. If you have any other questions, answer them as soon as possible in the comments. So yeah, let me know. See you guys next time.